Meet the Samsung 65-inch Crystal UHD U8000F. 4K color that pops, upscaling that rivals native 4K, and security you can trust. Today we're diving into the 2025 U8000F. Design, processing power, content options, and what this TV brings to your living room. We'll break down pros, cons, and who should consider it. 3D color mapping, powered by Crystal Processor 4K, maps colors in 3D space, and upscales any input to near 4K clarity. Metal stream design delivers an elegant metal frame, a slim bezel, and an aircraft-inspired silhouette that blends with any room. Samsung Knox Security provides triple-layer protection for apps, data, and your connected IoT devices, plus phishing safeguards. No subscription needed. Access 2,700 plus free channels and 400 plus Samsung TV Plus premium channels for nonstop content. Upscale any content to 4K and enjoy smoother motion with Motion Accelerator for games and sports up to 60 Hz. Final verdict. This TV combines vibrant color, strong upscaling, and solid security with free content. Great for color lovers and binge watchers, though you may want to budget for audio and consider price.